Hi friends, do you want to configure POP3 email account in Windows 10 PC? Actually for that one you needed one POP3 setting from either from administrator, and if you are administrator you have to go for your cPanel. Actually I have a HostGator account. Okay, so I'm going to show it here, and whatever, if you have the GoDaddy you have the same one. You have to be click on the mail accounts, whatever mail accounts you have, and same kind of cPanel have approx all the providers like GoDaddy, every miss all are running on the same one, only just their preview will be different, so what you have to be do, you have to be just click on the mail accounts. Okay, as it's taking time, so nothing to worry about that one. Okay, as you seen here, now it's open. So whatever you have to be go for more option, and whatever account you have, actually as you click here more option, and then after just click on the configure email client option. Okay, as you seen here, now you have the complete configuration information for every client, even for Microsoft Outlook, POP3 and manual setting, all are here. Okay, they are providing how you can do that one. Okay, and your main thing, if you are configure manually, so you need this manual settings. Okay, yeah, what you have to be do, you have to be copy this, means your incoming server incoming port and outgoing server outgoing port. Okay, and you have to be also enter your username and password for that one. So I just copy that one. Then after you have to be go to start and click on the mail mail app. Okay, and what you have to be do, it's already one account is I added, but it's not for POP, it's a Gmail. You have to click sorry, actually by mistake and I click on the new email options, so nothing to worry about it. What you have to be do, just wait a while, sorry, by mistake and I open that one. Okay, you have to be click on the setting options in down. Okay, then after you have to click on the add account. Okay, then after you have to be select for the other account. No, it's advanced setup. Okay, click on the advanced setup. Here you have to choose the internet email options. Okay, then after you have to be provide your username, your account name, your password, your incoming email server, your outgoing email server. I just want to put my on, and same account information you have to put that you copied, and you must have the password and everything for particular account. Okay, you have, I just put it, actually I created this account for my this videos. Okay, you have to put the same incoming email server here. Okay, just paste it, and account type you have to be choose the POP instead of IMAP. Okay, and then after you have to be go for your username, whatever username that you have. Okay, you just provide your username, and this one is my username. Okay, and you have to be also provide the password for the particular, and it must be correct otherwise you will get the notification. Okay, and you have other thing, you have to be put the outgoing email server address that you copied from the cPanel. Okay, so you just copy that one and leave this other settings as it is checked. Okay, and leave this all the settings as it is, and then after you have to be click on the sign in options. As you seen here, my account is successfully created. So now I'm able to get receive the emails, POP3 emails account in my Windows 10 PC. Okay, so hope you like my videos. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and you can easily do that one with this tutorial. Hope you like my videos. Please subscribe.